Toyota Avanza, nag-install tayo ng Optimus brand Android head unit na mid-range model. So with 360 camera, ito yung front camera niya. And then sa side camera naman, so check natin dito sa loob. Okay, ito yung Optimus brand Android head unit na mid-range model, in-install natin dito sa Toyota Avanza. Okay, check natin 360 camera, auto trigger, left signal, right signal, hazard, and reverse. So ayan yung reverse camera. Okay, sa pagdating naman sa features ng head unit na to, meron tong wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, merong online voice command, may offline, merong split screen function, merong USB slot and SIM card slot. So andito yung USB slot and SIM card slot niya. So, this one. So 3 slots for USB and 1 for SIM card slot. And then check natin list of application available for our mid-range model. Netflix, Maps, Google, Spotify, YouTube, Waze, and then DSP, Play Store. So wireless CarPlay and Android Auto via Xcar application. So no steering wheel control, pero kung may steering wheel control yung unit mo, compatible naman siya. So magwo-work pa rin yung stock function ng sasakyan. So all sides of camera ng 360 camera nagre-record. And then check natin, test tayo ng isang application. Okay, so walang internet ngayon. Connect natin sa Wi-Fi. User friendly naman siya, same as mobile phone lang din. Kung paano nagfa-function yung phone, almost the same kung paano mag-function yung head unit. So ayan, medyo mahina lang yung internet dahil paulan. Check natin. Naka-mute. So working yung YouTube. Pagdating naman sa DSP neto or equalizer, hindi mo na po problemahin dahil kompleto na yung DSP features ng head unit na to. So 6 channel, may crossover, merong mute per channel, may decibel adjustment, may time alignment and polarity adjustment. So may equalizer din. So yun lang, ito yung Optimus brand Android head unit na mid-range model, in-install natin dito sa Toyota Avanza. Thank you.